Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Brian House here for Housework, and today it's Saturday and I had a project that had been pressing for a while, and it was to rebuild my super tiny, little tiny $50 vise that I got a bunch of years ago. I was living in a small place. I needed a vise. I didn't have a ton of room for a workshop, so I bought this little guy. I've used it and abused it and hammered and used it as an anvil, and I cracked the base of it, so it needed some repair. Every time I use it, I think, oh, I'm going to pull that thing apart and fix it, and today was the day that I actually got a chance to do it. So I went ahead, pulled it off the bench. Cleaned off the paint. Made some small grooves down along that crack on that base. This is my first time TIG welding, so I bought a TIG welder on Amazon. It's actually a TIG plasma stick welder combination. It's a cheapie. I think it was like $400 or $500. And I don't have a lot of experience with TIG. And I'm thinking to myself, you know what, I could MIG weld this. I've got a lot of experience with that. My MIG welder's all set up. But I need the TIG experience. So why not do it on something like this where it really doesn't matter if the weld looks great or not. So I went ahead and TIGged it, and it turned out okay. It's not perfect. There's some voids, some holes. I had to adjust the settings quite a bit to make it work. But all in all, I had a really great experience. It's not as messy as MIG, which I really like. And then I realized, okay, I'm gonna have to prime this thing and paint it, and I don't have the same color blue, so of course it turns into an entire vise rebuild, you know, clean up and paint and the whole thing. But all in all, it came out really nicely, actually. So I'm really proud of it. It's not perfect. That's okay. It's just like me. It is my favorite color, black, matte black to be specific. And I used the 2X Rust-Oleum stuff. I don't know. I've got a can of it around here somewhere. But I used the 2X Rust-Oleum Canyon Satin Black. That stuff is awesome. I just buy it at Walmart or wherever. As always, I do put links down in the description so you can buy all this stuff if you need to. If you do purchase something through there, let the advertisers pay the way to support my channel. So if you click through to that homework link on in the descriptions, you will help support my channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. So that's really super helpful. If you're new to my channel, I spend my time doing a lot of work out here in my garage, workshop, and studio. Currently, at the time of filming this, I am in the middle of an extensive rebuild on a 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster. If you click that subscribe button, you can follow along in that process, plus all the other projects I have going on right out here in my man cave / garage. I've got you know, a few projects coming up that I really would love to share with you. As always, if you can, leave me a comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you'd like to see, ask me anything, I will answer it. Thank you again, I do appreciate it. My name is Brian House, and this is Housework.
Thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram at house__work. That's 2 underscores between those words. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and leave us a like.